What is up? We're going over a quality A plus setup, or I would just rate this an A. It's just a beautiful setup overall. And I did already record a video, but I wanted to put this into the trade journal copy. I want to go over something new. So we've been doing the data sample of 300 plus trades. I'm switching this up. I've added some rules to the model. I'm going to be a little more discretionary. I'm going to trade NFP Fridays, right? Like I like those. I'm going to trade those. Stick away from the no news Mondays. Just step away. We were doing the data sample 300 plus trades. We're going to do the data sample 500 plus because I did not. I've been tracking these, like taking the trades, but I've not been journaling them. So in this one, what I made is a backtest data sample where we will journal over 500 plus trades ideally. That's what the goal is for this, to get up to 500 plus trades. Really give it my all. We're going to do that through data sample 500 plus trades, journal every trade, just go through all of it. And ideally, even up to all we need really is 100. But with this, I have my rules set in place. I have them right next to me. I have them listed out in the backtest data sample. We have my rules and what I need to do. So we're going to be making sure that we are listening to my rules, following my rules, and over time, building my own rules that fits my style of trading. But what we are doing today, before I end up having to go to work, so I've been watching videos. I'm just getting ideas on the rules. So tomorrow, ideally, I didn't backtest today, but tomorrow I will be starting that new backtest. Ideally, that or Sunday I will, and we're going to get like 2 months done ideally, and then I got some other work I got to get done. But we're just going to build a bunch of data, 2 months worth of data, 2 to 3 months, and see where we go. We're doing the year 2022 all the way to 2026. We're going to try to get over 500 plus trades, but we don't need 500. It just comes with time. But yeah, that's what we're going to do with this. So going into the day with this trade, though, we're going to do some A plus trades. We're going to have to journal this. Today would be 1/09/26. Include time. We'll include time. We'll do. What time was entry? 9:10. Beautiful. That's fucking beautiful. So we have 9:10, January 9, 2026, 9:10. All right, beautiful. So analysis. Coming into the day, I didn't trade this today, by the way, but because it was NFP, but I see that NFP is fine. It's just don't trade NFP. So coming into today, we are reacting bearish, right? We tapped into this 4 hour. We're rejecting lower. Let me write that. Well, actually, we'll get into that in a bit. We'll hold on. I got some more shit I want to do. But this is bias. I'm leaning bullish. Analyst. We can then. Don't we have any other shit? What the hell? Here, let's just take pictures real quick. Hold on. So this would be trade. Three, 12, 09, 25, 26. Shit. Market condition. What would we say the condition is today? Kind of range, we'll say. Volume. There's definitely some volume. Risk, return, P&L, we don't care. Win, it'd be win. Pair, NQ. Position, long. Entry time frame, 3 minute. Bias, bullish. Day, Friday, month. January, news. Confluences, 15 minute, 30 minute. Bullish for value gap. 1 hour sell side sweep. Then pure manipulation back into. Oh, hold on. Well, let's do this. Sweep 3 minute IFVG account. This would just be forward test, backtest, we'll just say backtest learning. We were respecting a 4-hour bearish gap and rejected much lower. Looking bearish, but we came and swept 1 hour sell sign liquidity below us, and before and we started accumulating and generating by BSL. Generating buy side liquidity. We make a resweep of the previous lows swept and get a high resistance and a clean 3-minute IFG. Minute. Entry would have been a market time. Nine, 10. Session time, New York AM, emotional control, emotional trade rating. We'll do 4.5. So then we go take pictures of this puppy. So we'll just go into the 4-hour. So that's the 4-hour. Yeah, let's mark this up as well. Oh, I don't have my magnet on. Fuck. What I do notice, we still have a lot of low resistance resting here, but with that 15-minute and 30-minute being respected, and the LRR resting above, and we still have prominent draws over here as well. I don't know if I took a picture of that. Who knows? 30-minute, we'll go to the 15-minute. Leave it like this, but then we'll do we got high resistance, stop loss, 3-minute inversion, low resistance resting above. We make a resweep of this sell. So we swept out 1-hour lows. We come up into a 15-minute gap here. We respect it. It pushes us lower. And then to respect this 15-minute, we're accumulating, but we manipulate lower into the 15-minute, right? And sweep out these. We get high resistance, stop loss, 3-minute inversion, which is clean displacement. We're going to take a picture of this on the 5-minute time frame. in a 3-minute time frame with a 3-minute inversion. And fucking beautiful. Absolutely beautiful setup. Crazy I didn't take this. Alright, we can go up into the 4-hour. We can go look for a picture, image. Well, that's a 2-hour. Fuck. I gotta stop taking pictures of the 2-hour. Fuck, I just did it. Am I being a dipshit? Holy fuck, I always do this. There we go. 30-minute we skipped. We did do the 15-minute. Fuck, I did the fucking 1 hour twice. Holy shit. This is a 15-minute. There we go. Go down the 5-minute. Image. 4-hour, 2-hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 15-minute, 5-minute. Yeah, we got the 5-minute. And we can do the 3-minute. Beautiful. So we got all of that. This is trade example. Let's make sure I got everything else. Return 1. I spelled this creation, discretion. I spelled, oh my god. Alright. And I can do my analysis down here in the pre-market analysis. Oh fuck. Tell me I'm doing the right thing. Hold on. So yeah, I just made the breakdown. So price opened up and swept out 1 hour sell side liquidity and then pushed higher into a 15-minute gap. We consolidated on the 5-minute time frame and left 3 to 5 minute low resistance liquidity resting above on buy side. We respect the 15-minute gap and get a 5-minute IFVG to sell side. We resweep that previous low and swept out another 1 hour of sell side liquidity, and we get a clean 3-minute IFVG targeting the low resistance liquidity resting above. We also came down into a 30-minute and a 15-minute bullish for value gap on that resweep and respected them. Price continues higher for 1 to 1 hour break even at the 15-minute high. And I'll upload the link after I get this video uploaded. But that's really it. This is just everything that we see. This is the process. It's just an A+ trade. Ideally, I want to get, like, if there's trades I miss that are quality, I'll put them in here. And what makes it A+? I'll add that, actually. What is A+? Well, did I like the trade? Did it follow all of my rules? Did I build a high time frame Holy fuck. Can't spell ever. Can't type. Did I build a high time frame narrative behind it and move down to the lower time frame to find a quality low time frame structure? And then what's the last one? Well, did I like the trade? Did it follow all my rules? Did I build a high time frame narrative behind it? We'll just do one more. Did it? That's all we need. We got the calendar. Would have been a win. The gallery. So we have trade example 1, trade example. I gotta rename this. I'm gonna name this trade example 2. Trade 2. Beautiful. And I'll get this uploaded. But that is absolutely beautiful. This is exactly what the trade was. Just going over it again. Beautiful. If I see this again, I will take this. High resistance, stop loss, low resistance, targeting towards my take profit. 15-minute high that's inside of this gap. We have a high up inside of this gap on the 1 hour. We're clearly respecting the 30-minute and 15-minute. 30-minute here, we respect it. Don't close above it. And we get good manipulation. The only issue is, like, what if we want to come back up into this 5-minute? It's like, dude, if we're coming back up to this 5-minute, ooh, it's going to get dirty. I mean, beautiful trade. Quality setup. We'll take this again and again and again. But yeah, I'll get this uploaded. And this will be the trade recap for an A+ quality trade at 9:09 a.m., 9:10. Quality time to get in the trade on Friday the 9th, 2026. Peace.